Hi, this is Anne from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the WD-4TB My Passport Portable External Hard Drive, a sleek, high-capacity storage solution that offers reliability, security, and convenience all in one compact package. First off, let's talk design. The MyPi Sport is incredibly portable with a slim and stylish black exterior that makes it easy to carry anywhere. Despite its small size, it packs a massive 4 TB of storage, giving you plenty of space for your important files, photos, videos, and more. Performance-wise, this drive is fantastic. With USB 3.1 and USB 3.0 compatibility, data transfer speeds are fast and efficient, making it perfect for backups, media storage, and on-to-go file access. Whether you're moving large video files or organizing your personal documents, it delivers smooth and reliable performance every time. Thanks for watching.